Long runs at Silicone matters. Today I want to tell you I have two new machines. Take a look at why their colors are different. Because they are targeted at different industries. The blue one is for aerospace. The brown one is for car ships parts equipment. As long as they are silicone rubber seals related, our machines can all deal with. All the appearances design of our machines, including programs and plate processing, etc., are completed in our own factory. We also upgraded the foot cup this time. It is very strong, just like the one in Germany. There is infrared here, and it also has energy-saving functions. Our equipment is of international standards, and we are always upgrading it. Here you can see the configuration here. You can also open here to see. This is our all-circuit configuration. Come here to take a look at our electrical configuration. The wires are all neatly arranged and labeled. Following me, new machinery provides silicone equipment.